the fastest animals in the world are usually the best hunters or the best prey. In this list of the fastest, bird species are predictably the fastest. The fact that the frictional force generated while flying is less than the frictional force that land animals are exposed to from the ground ensures that bird species always move faster. Who doesn't want to fly like a bird? In this list, we have compiled the fastest animals in the world living on land, sea, and air. 10. Blue wildebeest. It is commonly known that wildebeest migrate annually to find new pastures. Wildebeest can be seen crossing rivers like the Mara River in great numbers, but they frequently perish in the process because many of them are devoured by crocodiles while others simply drown. This event has been the subject of numerous wildlife movies. Although it is generally believed that this is just a frenzy and that the wildebeest cross blindly, new studies have revealed that a herd of new possess what is known as swarm intelligence, in which the animals work together to carefully examine and conquer the obstacle. The maximum apparent running speed of a wildebeest is about 40 miles per hour. 9. Lion. Lions are strong hunters who typically stalk their prey in well-organized packs. They are not particularly recognized for their endurance, though. For example, a lioness's heart makes up only 0.57% of her body weight, whereas a hyena's heart makes up close to 1% of its body weight. In light of the fact that lionesses can run at 50 miles per hour for only brief periods, they must get near to their prey before attacking. 8. Springbok. The Springbok antelope's main stalker is the #1 sprinter on this list. It is no wonder that this South African herbivore had to pursue a speed-oriented evolutionary path to stand any chance of survival. The greatest clocked Springbok speed is 55 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest antelopes in the world. Besides the sheer speed, Springbok antelopes are famous for their long leaps and sharp turns while springing, a strategy of movement that is quite useful when you want to avoid being hunted down by a skillful predator. 7. Pronghorn. The pronghorn is often regarded as the fastest land mammal in the New World because of its extraordinary running speed and construction for optimum predator escape by running. The top speed is extremely difficult to gauge precisely and varies from person to person. It is variously stated as being up to 60 miles per hour. It is frequently mentioned as being the second fastest land animal, after the cheetah. But unlike cheetahs, it can maintain high speeds for longer. Given that the pronghorn runs significantly faster than other North American predators, University of Idaho zoologist John Byers hypothesized that the pronghorn developed its running abilities to avoid extinct predators like the American cheetah. Its heart and lungs are enormous, and its hair is hollow. It is a terrible jumper while being designed for speed. Fences used by sheep herders frequently have an impact on their range. However, they are sometimes spotted moving quickly under fences. 6. Ostrich. The ostrich is a sizable African bird without wings. It is the sole surviving member of the Struthionidae family and the Struthio genus. Ostriches, kiwis, and other ratites are all members of the order Struthionoformes. It has a long neck and legs that give it a striking appearance, and it can run as fast as any bird can on land, with a high speed of roughly 61 miles per hour. The ostrich is the biggest species of bird still extant, and it also produces the largest egg of any living bird. 5. Swordfish. Large, highly migratory predatory fish with a long, flat, pointed bill, swordfish are also called as broadbills in some nations. Swordfish are noted for their large bills, which can exceed 4 feet in length, but they are also one of the quickest fish on the planet. Scientists have now found part of the mechanism that allows swordfish to reach speeds of up to 62 miles per hour. 4. Sailfish. There are 2 species of sailfish of the genus Istiophorus, which are found in the warmer waters of all the world's oceans. They range in hue from blue to gray, and their distinctive erectile dorsal fin, known as a sail, frequently extends the full length of the back. The elongated bill, which resembles those of marlins and other fish like the swordfish, is another distinguishing feature. Therefore, in the context of sport fishing, they are referred to as billfish. Sailfish of both species eat on smaller pelagic forage fish and squid at the surface or in the middle of the ocean's depths. Both species of sailfish develop swiftly, reaching lengths of 4 to 5 feet in just 1 year. The maximum reliably recorded speed for a fish is 70 miles per hour, which has been reached by some individuals. Sailfish rarely exceed 200 pounds in weight and rarely reach lengths of more than 10 feet, though larger specimens have been spotted off the coast of Costa Rica. 3. Cheetah. The cheetah is an unusual cat species that is distinct in its speed but incapable of climbing. The species is the only one of the genus Acinonyx's extant species. It is the fastest land animal, capable of accelerating from 0 to 64 miles per hour in 3 seconds, which is quicker than most supercars. It can travel distances of up to 1,500 feet at speeds between 70 and 75 miles per hour in short bursts. The cheetah is currently the fastest terrestrial animal, according to recent research. 2. Golden eagle. The national bird of Mexico and the largest raptor in North America is this majestic eagle. These birds have golden brown heads and necks with dark brown plumage throughout. They may dive on their prey at rates of more than 150 miles per hour, demonstrating their extreme quickness. Although they are not in danger of extinction, golden eagles are hardly ever spotted in the eastern United States. Sightings are extremely rare and only occur during migrations in New York and New England. The birds often have wingspans that are over 7 feet and are 50% larger than bald eagles. 1. Peregrine falcon. The peregrine falcon is well known for its incredibly quick flight, which can reach speeds of over 186 miles per hour, making it the fastest bird and mammal in the entire world. Its slender body, strong musculature, and swept-back wing configuration enable swift flying. They can fly level at speeds of 40 to 60 miles per hour while only using their wings to generate momentum.